Let's get your Rogers or Xfinity remote connected and controlling your devices. Pairing establishes the wireless link between your remote and your set-top box or smart TV. For Rogers Ignite remotes like the XR15, start by powering on your receiver. Press the Rogers button on the remote. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter any code displayed. Xfinity remotes, such as the XR16 pair by holding the Setup button until the LED lights up. Then enter the device code, for example, 11758 for many TVs. Programming allows your remote to control other devices like soundbars or streaming boxes. This involves entering universal codes, which you can find in your user manual or online databases. The Rogers Ignite and Xfinity My Account apps are handy for remote reprogramming without needing the physical device. Voice control is a key feature of modern remotes. Rogers remotes integrate with Amazon Alexa, allowing you to say things like, "Alexa, play CBC News." Xfinity remotes use their own voice assistant. Just speak naturally to search for content or control devices. If you encounter issues, remember that newer remotes use Bluetooth or RF, while older ones rely on IR requiring line of sight. Interference from Wi-Fi routers can sometimes cause problems. Ensure your remote has fresh batteries or is adequately charged if it's a rechargeable model. If voice control isn't working, check your internet connection and ensure the remote is properly paired. For cross-platform compatibility issues, be aware that Rogers remotes are optimized for Canadian markets and Xfinity for the US, which can sometimes cause pairing issues with international setups. A 2025 Statista survey shows 45% of Rogers subscribers use voice control daily, with 30% preferring it for on-demand searches.